Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to copy your UID from the KuCoin exchange. Okay, then in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer USDT straight up to a different KuCoin exchange. For those of you that have been asking me on my DMs how to go about that process, that video will be for you. So if you're new to this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you are gonna be notified on time. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing first you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and go and download the KuCoin Exchange app. Okay, for those of you that don't have, the KuCoin Exchange is actually a centralized exchange that is used for cryptocurrency trading. So you can download the KuCoin app on either Play Store or the Apple Store. And then when you download it, you register it. Okay, I'm going to be dropping more videos right at the video description for those of you that want to know more about the KuCoin exchange and how to register, or the newbies that don't even know or have idea about how to register on the KuCoin exchange. The video that I'll be dropping right at the video description is going to be very helpful for you. All right, so after downloading and registering the KuCoin app, you just have to come over here, ensure that this KuCoin is right on the exchange section and not on the Web3 section, okay? Because we are now working with Web3, all right? We just want to copy the KuCoin exchange, so ensure that it is right here. Ensure that this is toggled on to the left, okay? After ensuring that it is toggled onto the left, you now see this EB where you see here. You click over this section here, you tap on it. Then as soon as you tap on it, you can see this first button, this UID that you see here. You go ahead and click this UID. All right, as soon as you click this UID, this is your actual exchange UID. You can actually use this your UID here to either transfer any coin to another person's KuCoin exchange. Okay, like in case you have any token or coins in your KuCoin that you want to be sending out to someone, a different person entirely that is using a KuCoin exchange, you can as well transfer this UID, transfer your tokens directly to a different person that is using the same KuCoin exchange app. I hope you understand. So you can use this same UID and transfer tokens internally, do a kind of internal transfer and transfer tokens to another person that is using the same exchange. All right, so that is the purpose, one of the benefits of using this UID. You can also use your email to do transfer, internal transfer to another person that is using the KuCoin UID, that's using KuCoin as well. All right, so I'll be doing a separate video on that, but I just want to show you that this is how to transfer this is how to copy your KuCoin UID, and this is how to copy it. Okay, so this is how to copy it. So if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.